Hi everyone, my name is Himanshu Gruel, and welcome back to HG Talks channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Instagram Threads. If you're not familiar with it, Threads is a new app from Instagram that's designed for close friends. It's a more private way to share your thoughts, photos, and videos with a select group of people. What is Instagram Threads? Instagram Threads is a standalone app that's connected to your Instagram account. It's a great way to stay connected with your close friends and family without having to share everything with the world. With Threads, you can share text messages, photos, and videos with your close friends. See who's online and who's recently seen your messages. Create polls and quizzes to get feedback from your friends. Send disappearing messages that self-destruct after a set amount of time. How to use Instagram Threads. To get started with Threads, you'll need to download the app from the App Store or Google Play. Once you've opened the app, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Instagram account. Once you're signed in, you'll be able to see your list of close friends. You can add or remove friends from your list by tapping on the three dots next to their names. To create a new thread, tap on the plus sign in the top right corner. You can then add a photo, video, or text message to your thread. Once you've created a thread, your close friends will be notified. They can then reply to your thread or add their own photos, videos, or text messages. Tips for using Instagram Threads. Here are a few tips for using Instagram Threads. Use Threads to share your everyday moments with your close friends. Use Threads to ask your close friends for advice or help. Use Threads to keep up with your close friends' lives. Use Threads to plan events or activities with your close friends. Conclusion. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of how to use Instagram Threads. If you're looking for a more private way to connect with your close friends, then Thread is a great option. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe HG Talks channel.